Hey, my beautiful ladies. I am so excited about today's video. We have a brand new unit. It is a 13 by 4, has 3 combs, and it comes in all these beautiful colors. So we have this summertime blonde. We, of course, have the 1B. And then we also have our golden hour color, which is this beautiful gold mocha color. We're going to go in and spray the inside of the lace, get that all color matched to my skin color. Obviously, you guys see this right out the box with nothing done to it. It is already giving scalp, giving beautiful, giving effortless. So, of course, I'm going to be extra and add some extra steps, but we're going to go ahead and go right into cutting the lace. Now, as you see, I'm pushing my scissor back and forth to create a jagged edge. The key with this is making sure that it's mimicking your hairline. So your hairline would never be straight. You're going to always cut it at an angle back and forth to kind of create that hairline type vibe. We're then going in with old trusty Ghost Bond glue. It's fire. It's only a little bit left in this one. These will be available on the website that's linked below. So if you do need not only the unit, but you also need the Ghost Bond glue, please go grab it from the description bar. And big thing with this is you want to make sure that your glue ends up being clear. It's completely translucent before you stick down your lace. Now, if you do it the opposite way and you're not patient, I'm going to tell you it's going to look clumpy and kind of gross underneath. So give it some time, give it some a moment of silence, a moment of just letting that completely dry down before you go ahead and add that lace on top. As you guys can see, it's completely clear, so we can go ahead and add the lace on, and this is going to be giving absolute scalp. I love it. And this is a synthetic unit. I don't know if I mentioned that. This synthetic hair, and it works beautifully with this style. I view this style as more of a I'm going on vacation type vibe. Now I'm going in with my powder, pressed powder. It's from Fit Me, Maybelline. I'll put the link to Amazon down below. But as you guys can see, it's literally blurring everything. I love this color. I believe it's 355, but I'll put it in the description box below for sure for you. Now, as y'all can see, y'all, you could do this just like this. If you don't want to do a part or anything, this is a cute 10-minute throw on wig if you want to just give. Like, this is so cute. I love it. But of course, I have to be extra, so I will show you guys another style. I'm gonna go in with my elastic band. This just helps to melt everything, it to really melt into the scalp. So I put this on and let that sit on for about 10 minutes. And honestly, when it comes off, y'all see it at the end. But I'm going to go ahead and give you guys another option. Now, plus I wanted to show you guys the parting space as well. So if you part it up, you guys see how good that part looks. Of course, I'm going in with old trusty, the slick stick, just to kind of make sure that your wigs are laying flat. You do not want a bulky wig, trust me. But this one actually looked good just as a throw over too. So I'm gonna go in and hot comb that, what you guys just saw. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I'm about to stand up and really show y'all what it's giving. Gorgeous, y'all. Oh, this is so fire. I love this wig. I kept it in this black color. Please go visit the website. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and family. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.